So I'm going to assume that we got the Windows laptop ready, and let's go ahead. We're going to go click it, install it. All right, downloads. Still downloading here. 14 minutes to download. Well, you basically download it, click it, install it. You guys should be able to get that part there. But let me go ahead and pause, and I'll show you step by step. All right, so we've downloaded our installation file. Let's go ahead and click on that. And we will go through the steps of installing. So you just go ahead, click next, click the folder you'd like to install it. You need 3 gigs. Install. There we go. Downloading. All right. So we have finished installing our Browser Automation Studio. All you gotta do here is hit finish and start it up. Finish. I already have it open right here. So let's go ahead and get started. So once we open, this is the screen that you're gonna see here. And there's a couple options here: new project, open, save, run. So the first thing is you're going to click on new, and you're going to create a new project. So I already made one here. I'm going to call it YouTube Automation. And this is going to be our main file for the course here. I'm going to do everything on this one automation. So